Here's how I make melodies like eera. So I've been working in Triton. It's a synthesizer that came out in like the late 90s. So it has that kind of like 2000s dance music kind of sound. And I just find that a lot of the presets are suitable for this style of music. This first preset is called Attack Piano. We're in E major. You can use major or minor for these melodies. Doesn't really matter. You just get different kind of results. So my chord progression here is 1, 2, 3, and then 5. I just started off the melody by layering it with fifths, and then I just kind of changed some notes according to what I felt suited. Generally, I like to use the 7th as well in these melodies. So if you start playing around with like the 5th and the 7th, then you can just like kind of add some additional notes in between according to what you like. Just a simple melody, just in like quarter notes. Then I just picked a pad to layer behind it, and I just panned it like a little to the left, just a little bit wider than the main piano. Then I just like copied all of the root notes, and then I just wrote this kind of like simple melody just for the top notes. Just adds a little bit of subtle depth to the main piano. Then for the main section, I did this like call and response kind of thing. So I've got this preset called R&B lead synth, and I just put a ping pong delay on it. It's from Arturia's Eternity Delay. And for the response, I used this thin Anna lead. I duplicated the same delay just so they kind of like sound like they belong together. So here's those two elements together. And then I also made this other section. So I just used this preset called Simple Sine Pad. And then I just put this preamp on it, just mainly just for volume because the preset was quiet. But all I did was, it's just on the default, and I just drove it like 7 dB. And then I have this other preset called That Heaven Vibe. It's got a lo-fi ping pong delay on it and just a preamp again. And then straight after that, we're just using Ableton Saturator just to give it some upper harmonics. It was a little bit dull. And these are those two together. Alright, so that's it for the video. Huge thanks once again to everyone watching these videos. It means so much to me. The support has just been incredible. Be sure to check out my Patreon. By the time you watch this video, I'll have my stash kit up, and that'll be available for free to all of my Patreon members. Otherwise, you'll be able to purchase it on there, and it'll also be up on my BeatStars where you can purchase it there as well. But yeah, thank you guys so much for watching, and I'll see you guys tomorrow.